POP3 protocol is used for which of the following? Well, before we go through that, it's important to know what POP3 stands for. So POP3 stands for Post Office Protocol and it's version 3. So what does Post Office Protocol version 3 even mean? Well, it's a standard email protocol and it's used to retrieve emails from a remote server, right? And retrieves these emails and brings them to your local client. So like Outlook or Thunderbird, anything that you are physically interacting with, you are seeing those emails. So it allows users to download emails to their device so they can use them offline. And so if you have like device A and device B, you could download different copies. Whatever changes that you make on device A, it will not reflect onto device B. Two separate copies downloaded from the same server. So it has its pros and it has its cons. Typically, fun fact, POP3 is going to use port 110 for its default unencrypted communication. Again, that's port 110. And then port 995, a lot higher, is used for secure communication using SSL or TLS communication. So knowing that, which one of the answers is going to be our right answer? Well, we have name resolution. This is not going to be our answer. Name resolution is reserved for DNS, which is domain name service. And what this does is it basically, if you have an IP address, it resolves it to a name. Like google.com is 8.8.8.8. That's name resolution, and that's done through DNS, domain name service. Think of naming. And then we have sending email messages. Sending email messages is done through SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. You're sending out, transferring mail. And then we have file exchange. This is through FTP. So remember, email retrieval, POP3, is great for email retrieval. There's two types of email retrieval. You can either use IMAP or POP3. We're talking about POP3 here, which is Post Office Protocol. When we get to IMAP in later videos. But email retrieval is great for, well, it's what POP3 protocol is used for.